This exercise is called wrist flexion pails and rails. So we're going to work on extending our wrist back. So we're going to start on our hands and knees here. You could either have your toes flat on the ground or toes up, whatever's most comfortable for you. And we're going to place our hand flat on the ground, but we're going to rotate so that our palms are facing forward. So I'm going to have my toes flat on the ground, one arm here, and we're going to lean back as far as we can to get about a 75% stretch here. You're going to take a deep breath in. We're going to drive our fingers down into the ground here. And you're going to start off at about a 10% intensity until we get to the prescribed amount. So we're going to go up to about 50% right now. Driving those fingers in. Hold. You're going to take a deep breath in. And from here, you're going to keep your palm flat on the ground. We're going to lean forward, and you're going to try to lift your fingers off the ground. And we're going to hold that up right there. We're going to hold. And then come back, find a bigger stretch if you can. Drive those fingers down into the ground here, trying to break the ground apart. Slowly increase that intensity. Take a deep breath in. Fixate your palm into the ground. Try to lift those fingers off, and you're going to lean forward until you can lift them off. And you're going to hold that, and then relax again.